Hello friends, this is me, Mehfish, your host. Welcome back to our channel Best Book for You. I hope you all are well and doing great. Today I'm back with another video to give a review on another book. But before we move towards the book, I want to tell you about this website that we have, which link is given just in front of you on the slide, which is www.bestbookforyou.co.uk. So this is our website on which you can find every best-selling book. All the books that I had reviewed on this channel and many more other books are also available on best prices. You can also get more or less on some selected books. For this, you have to check out our website and then you can see all the books. So what are you waiting for? Just visit our website right now and buy your favorite books. This is our second website, which is UK Top. Here you can find most of the daily used products. So if you're interested in buying these products, you can visit our website right now and buy your favorite or daily used products. Many discounts and offers are also available. If you wanted to avail it right now, then you have to visit it. Our eBay account is also connected with this channel, so you don't find any difficulty to find this website. Okay, now let's start. A book that we're going to see today is The Clean and Green. This is for those people who likes to clean their homes, clean their houses and wants the eco-friendly environment. So this is going to be very helpful and useful for you guys. So Clean and Green is by Emma Mitchell, is a compelling exploration of sustainable living practices, offering readers a roadmap to reduce their environmental footprint and embrace a more eco-friendly lifestyle. Michelle's expertise and passion for environmental conservation permeate throughout the book, making it a valuable resource for individuals seeking to make a positive impact on the planet. In the opening chapters, Michelle lays the foundation for understanding the importance of sustainable living, providing insights into the environmental challenges we face and the urgent need for change. She eloquently articulates the interconnectedness of human activity and the health of the planet, motivating readers to take proactive steps towards a greener future. Simple swaps and innovative ideas for cleaning and maintaining your home that won't cost the earth. This beautifully illustrated black and white guide with 101 hints and sustainable natural cleaning tips and hacks that will help you take small steps that have a massive positive environmental impact. In Clean and Green, Great British Bake Off winner and Sunday Times best-selling author Nancy Birtwistle shares the simple recipes and methods she has developed since making a conscious effort to live more sustainably, many of which are faster and easier than the go-to products and methods most of us use now. From everyday cleaning and laundry tips to zero effort oven cleaner and guidance on removing tricky stains from clothing and furniture. These economical, practical methods are perfect for anyone looking to reduce the use of plastic and throwaway products. Nancy shares her tried and tested recipes for all purpose cleaners, replacements for harmful chemicals that will keep both your home and the planet clean and green for future generations. Moreover, Michelle's writing style is both informative and engaging, making complex environmental issues accessible to a wide audience. She adeptly navigates topics such as sustainable consumption, waste reduction, and ethical sourcing, presenting them in a clear and compelling manner that resonates with readers of all backgrounds. This book is enhanced by stunning visuals, including vibrant photographs and illustrations that complement Michelle's narrative beautifully. These visuals not only serve to illustrate key concepts but also add a layer of aesthetic appeal, making Clean and Green a visually captivating read. Throughout the book, Michelle emphasizes the importance of individual action in driving collective change by empowering readers to take ownership of the environmental impact. Clean and Green inspires a sense of agency and responsibility, fostering a community of eco conscious individuals committed to building a more sustainable future. In conclusion, Clean and Green is a must read for anyone looking to deepen their understanding of sustainability and adopt practical strategies for greener living. Emma Michelle's passion, expertise, and practical advice make this book an invaluable resource for individuals seeking to align their lifestyle choices with the values and make a positive difference in the world. So, have you ever wondered what toxins you are inhaling and washing down the sink with your current cleaning products? Especially the products that say harmful to aquatic life in small print. This book gives you and explains to you great tips on a green way of cleaning without using harsh chemical. So, great book. However, I have found that Nancy repeats recipes in all her books, especially the popular ones. So, it would be much better if the books didn't repeat recipes. But wonderful book. We are using a number of the products now and they are working very well. So this is all we have about this book. If you wanted to know more about this book and you wanted to know about these tips that are included in this book, for this you have to read that book and you can buy it from our website, which link is available at the start of this video. Then you can apply these tips, useful tips on your home, in your home and on your daily life. So I'll be back with another video with another book to give a review on that book. Till then, just take care and goodbye.